What's up, folks? Here's my waiting moment. Merida E Silex 600, my new friend. Today we will take a look at it, right out of the box. What the bicycle is and what it comes with. As you can see, there are no bags, gadgets or anything like that. Quite a simple unboxing. I bought it from Slovenia. You can check out how that adventure unfolded here. It was quite a quest. And what I received was a bicycle packed in a box from another bike, a regular bike box. Additional accessories were packed in small box that unfortunately fell apart during the journey. So, what is it? It's a gravel bike with an aluminium frame and a carbon fork. It features a Mahle X35 Plus electric motor with 40 Newton meters of power for assistance. The frame size is M, which is my size. The color is grey, although there are also yellow and this year's vibrant green options. Yellow looks quite appealing, but it wasn't available when I bought mine. Now let's talk about the components. The front chainring is a single 40 teeth. Crank arm lathe is 170 millimeters for M size, and actually it's for all sizes, exclude 175 millimeters for L and XL. Rear MTB cassette is an M5100, 11 speed with range from 11s to 42. It features a GRX 812 rear derailleur with a Shimano Shadow clutch. The braking system is GRX 600 hydraulic. The seat post is made of carbon. The saddle is Merida Comp CC. It's a bit softer than regular Merida Silex. The handlebar is an Expert GR with a width 420 millimeters for my size. Actually 400 millimeters for XS size and 440 millimeters for L and XL, and has a 12-degree flare which is suitable for front bags. It comes with aluminum Expert CX wheels. The tire were changed. They initially had Maxxis Ramblers, but due to an issue with one of the wheel, they replaced them with Pathfinder Pro tubeless ready tires. They are also a great option. Now take a look at the rear wheel. It's secured with 17mm nuts, just like on the car, and you need to carry a wrench with you. The wheel size is 27.5 inches with a width of 47mm. For my mostly asphalt trips, 28 inches by 38 would be better, but this wasn't available in configuration. Pedals come pre-installed, although they aren't of the highest quality, so I'll replace them with my hybrid ones when I get home. Now let's talk about the motor. Mahle X35 Plus motor is located in the rear wheel, and its battery is situated in the lower frame. I think it's called right. This part of frame. It offers 250 watts and 40 Newton meters of torque. Merida has more powerful motors, but this one suits my needs perfectly. It's activated by a button on the frame, and you can also change assistant modes there, which includes 4 settings: no assistant, eco, normal and sport maximum assistance. I connected my Garmin device to the bike via Bluetooth ANT, and I can control assistant level and monitor battery status through it. Other settings, such as customizing each assistant mode, can be adjusted through the special app. The app also keeps track of all bike related data, including mileage, system status and battery life. In this configuration the bike weighs 14 kilos, including the battery and motor. To put it into perspective, my Scott Hybrid weighs the same, but that's without any batteries and motors. The bike comes with numerous attachment points, manually for an additional battery, which I have, but I purchased it separately. There are 2 on the frame, 2 on the top tube, 2 on the fork on the both sides. More attachment points are needed. The price is 2,800 euro, but I saved some money for tax-free compensation. I think this is the cheapest gravel with electric assist. My research at least suggests this. But you can write your own versions of such bicycles in the comments. Pros and cons. Pros. The bike allows you to conquer even the most challenging uphills with ease. Cons. You can travel by plane with it. The battery has a power output exceeds 100 watts, which isn't allowed on a plane. It's not designed for water crossings. It can handle the rain, but submerging the motor is not advised. Additionally, you need to carry a wrench to remove the rear wheel as it's bolted on. This might be more challenging to do yourself when compared to a quick release system. Lastly, there is a small matter of charging. The charger weighs 400 grams and isn't very bikepacking friendly. This is not the end of the story, so stay tuned for the range tests. I'll be testing it with integrated battery and external one. Also, I plan to upgrade it with the different pedals, a bag, lights and a computer. In this video I have shown the bike trained from the factory. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell and keep watching for more videos. See you!